and they do overlap, takes priority over the dispute.
Appeal to international justice should never be considered an act of bad faith. On the contrary, the institution of proceedings in this great court is an act of faith. Faith in Somalia's capacity to defend its sovereignty and sovereign rights, faith in international justice, and faith in this court's wisdom. That is why we are here today.
It is Kenya that invokes endless negotiations and allegations of bad faith to exclude a realistic possibility of a resolution to this dispute. This court offers the hope of an end to uncertainty, and with it the tantalizing prospect of less instability in a region that craves progress.